This patient education video talks about coronary stents. In this video, you will see what is a coronary stent, types of coronary stents available, advantages of drug-coated stent, are stents needed for every angioplasty? What to expect after coronary stent? Frequently asked questions about coronary stents.
A cardiac stent is used to treat narrowed or blocked coronary arteries. It can also be used to improve blood flow immediately following a heart attack. Cardiac stents are expandable coils made of metal mesh. Your doctor can insert one during a coronary angioplasty, a non-surgical and minimally invasive procedure. The device is designed to support your artery walls, keep your artery open, and improve blood flow to your heart. Bare metal stents are tiny wire mesh tubes that help widen a clogged artery but are not coated with a polymer or drugs to help prevent reblockage of the artery. This type of stent may be used in patients who are allergic to either the polymer or drugs used in drug-eluting stents. A drug-eluting stent is a bare metal stent that has been coated with a polymer that gradually releases a drug over the time when reblockage is most likely to happen. This helps reduce the chance of the artery getting blocked again. There are two types of drug-eluting stents. Permanent polymer drug-eluting stent. In this type of stent, the polymer stays on the stent permanently even after all the drug has been released. Bioabsorbable polymer drug-eluting stent. With this type of stent, the polymer and drug coating are fully absorbed by the body shortly after the drug has been fully released. This promotes better healing by eliminating long-term polymer exposure. Stents are used to reduce symptoms in patients with obstructive artery disease who suffer chest pain or tightness or shortness of breath that might be experienced with exercise or during periods of strong emotions. Stents may be used instead of bypass surgery in some selected patients. Diabetic patients with multiple coronary blockages may do better with bypass surgery. Recovery from an angioplasty and stent implantation is usually fast. Most patients can resume normal activities 24 hours after the procedure. Some people experience bruising, which will disappear in a few days. Due to a heightened risk of clotting after stenting, treatment with certain medications is required for at least 1 year. Make sure you understand the dosage and duration of the medications as detailed by your doctor. Do not stop these medications without consulting your cardiologist. Stents help prevent arteries from becoming narrow or blocked again in the months or years after the procedure. However, they are not a cure for coronary artery disease and they don't reduce your risk factors. Talk to your cardiologist so you have a clear understanding of the risks and benefits of stent implantation. Keep close control of your risk factors for coronary heart disease, including hypertension, high bad cholesterol, and smoking. Lifestyle changes based on a healthy diet, not smoking, and being physically active can go a long way to help prevent plaque from building up in your arteries again. Some FAQs about coronary stents. Can stents block up again? Restenosis means that a section of blocked artery that was opened up with angioplasty or a stent has become narrowed again. There are many treatment options for patients who have restenosis after receiving a stent. How soon can I exercise after a heart stent? One can expect to reach the pre-disease exercise status within 1 month of a stenting procedure. Heavy exercise such as lifting weights or walking up steep slopes should be avoided for about 4 to 6 weeks. What precautions should be taken after a stent procedure? Avoid strenuous exercise and lifting heavy objects for at least a day afterward. Ask your doctor or nurse about other restrictions in activity. Call your doctor's office or hospital staff immediately if the site where your catheter was inserted starts bleeding or swelling. How often does a stent fail? The failure rate for the newer drug-coated stents in the first 6 months appears to be much lower, about 5%, though some evidence suggests that they may fail more frequently than older versions after a year. When is a stent recommended? Stenting is often recommended when arterial narrowing is moderate to severe or when only 1 or 2 coronary arteries are severely narrowed. What is the recovery time for a heart stent? Recovery from angioplasty and stenting is typically brief. Discharge from the hospital is usually 12 to 24 hours after the catheter is removed. Many patients are able to return to work within a few days to a week after a procedure.
Coronary stents are small, wire, mesh tubes that help widen a clogged artery and restore adequate blood flow to the heart. Stenting is suited for certain patients, and choosing the right patient affects short and long-term outcomes. Patients are discharged quickly and can resume normal life within a week. Anti-clot medicines like aspirin and clopidogrel are essential after a stent, usually for 1 year. Maintaining BP, lipids and blood sugar are key to prevent future risk of heart attack after stent.
For more information, contact Dr. Raghu, Director, Cardiologist, Aster Prime Hospitals, Hyderabad, India.